Good morning, teachers. This is Nitin Deshpande, Secretary of Vigyan Vibhag, welcoming you to this Zoom meeting for a brief introduction of our flagship event, National Science Day. And regarding this, Vaibhav Thakkar will be briefing you about this complete event. How are we going to organize and all these things? So over to you, Vaibhav. Vaibhav.
Sir, yes, thanks a lot for this introduction. And first of all, I would like to thank all the teachers for joining us today on a Sunday, which is technically a holiday for them. So, thank you all for joining today, and I really hope this meeting will be a fruitful one for all of you. So, as we all know, at Maharashtra Seva Sangh Vigyan Vibhag, we always have a lot of events going on to promote scientific attitude amongst the students. I'll be sharing my screen and then we can proceed with the details of the National Science Day competition. I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Unmute everybody for a few seconds.
I
Yeah,
think
it is visible.
the- it is visible and I think they must be able to speak also. So I would suggest that
Yes.
in case if you have any questions, you can either put them in the chat or you can probably when we have a Q&A session at the end, so you can ask at that point of time. But in case if there are any technical difficulties, you're not able to see the screen or something, or not able to hear me, please let me know immediately. You can interrupt in between for any technical difficulties. All right. Thank you, everyone, and I think we are good to go. We can begin now. All right. So, uh, I first of all, on behalf of Maharashtra Seva Sangh Vigyan Vibhag, welcome you all for the first teachers meet of National Science Day 2021. And this year, this first of all, today's agenda will go through all these points individually. Introduction of what is Maharashtra Seva Sangh, what is Vigyan Vibhag, and what do we do at National Science Day every year. Then NSD 2021, what are the categories, format, and rules? Timelines and schedule of the competition, the registration process, NSD 2021 finale, and the Q&A session followed by questions and everything at the end. So yeah, uh, the institution, the forum, the event, that's how I would like to call it. Maharashtra Seva Sangh, as most of you would know, we are a social organization based in Mulund. Uh, since about 80 plus years of serving the society and community. We have activities in various fields, professional and educational fields such as science and technology, commerce, economics, arts, culture, defense, national security. So each of these are basically, taken care of by different vibhags as we call them. So there are, there is Vigyan Vibhag for science, then there is for economics and finance, there is Artha Vibhag, Kala Vibhag for arts and so on. Sanskrit Vibhag we have Girimitra, which is a forum for hikers and mountaineers, trekkers. We have Salute India, which is a forum for defense awareness and welfare and armed forces initiatives. So then we have Vigyan Vibhag, as you all know, science department of MSS, probably one of the most youthful and energetic departments or forums of Maharashtra Seva Sangh. We have a lot of science and technology related events in Vidyan Vibhag. The aim is to, as I said previously, promote scientific attitude in the society, especially in youth and students. And our popular events include the National Science Day competitions, the World Science Day competitions, workshops, seminars, webinars, all of that. During the lockdown, particularly, we had a little difficult time in the initial phase where we had to switch our operations completely online. So, and we are an organization that, if you all would know, do a lot of activities at our venue in Mulund. And for us, it was a little bit of challenge in the beginning, but we succeeded. We had about 10 plus webinars in the lockdown. We even had a paid webinar series on archaeology. So if you can stay connected with our Vidyan Vibhag, you will definitely get a lot more updates. And we do have WhatsApp groups and everything. And don't worry, we won't spam you because we have, admin only messages there. So you can get updates whenever there are any events at Vidyan Vibhag. The National Science Day competitions are a flagship annual event of MSS Vidyan Vibhag, which are school level competitions held to celebrate and commemorate the National Science Day, which is celebrated on 28th of February every year. So we choose about a weekend around that time uh, because it is convenient to most schools. Six editions we have had so far successfully organized till date. Average participation has been about 40 schools every year and about 200 students every year. Those of you who are already participating would know that it is one of the highlights of entire Maharashtra Seva Sangh, not just Vidyan Vibhag. Of course, it is the biggest event of Vidyan Vibhag, no doubt, but in general also. We have almost a couple of floors filled with our venue at Mulund is filled with students brimming with activities when we have this event every year. NSD 2021, uh, owing to the COVID pandemic this year, we'll be having this event entirely online. This will be the first time. It's going to be a challenge and also a very exciting opportunity for us, and even for the students and teachers, I presume, because I believe this lockdown has taught us a lot of things, and especially how to go virtual in our working and operations is the biggest lesson for all of us. So this year we'll be having two categories divided on based on class groups, junior and senior technocrats. Yeah. So this is the format of junior technocrats. Junior technocrats category basically is for classes 7th and 8th. Registration fee is 200 per team. Team size is 4 students per team. Maximum 2 teams can participate from each school. Uh, these would be the same for senior technocrats. You will see that further. Then there are 2 rounds in junior technocrats category, which will be the first round is presentation submission, and the second round is judges interaction. So uh, what will happen is basically once you register, the students will send in their presentations to MSS Vidyan Vibhag online. They'll submit through email or something. Then, based on that, there will be shortlisting which will happen by the judges. And after that, the second round will be on NSD event day, which is 28th of February for the junior technocrats category. And that will be the judges interaction, and where they'll actually make a presentation to the judges on the same topic, but in an enhanced form. So if you have about 15 slides, you will explain to them what all you have studied in it, what all you have researched. They'll ask questions and everything. So the second round will be little more detailed on the same topic. These are again the rules that I explained just now. 15-20 slides of PowerPoint presentation. They'll be submitting on email initially in the first round. If they get shortlisted for the second round, they'll be interacting with the judges in the second round on NSD event day, which is 28th of February. Yeah. And the judges will have about a week's time or more to shortlist and review those presentations. Yeah. So the final round will start with a presentation of points by the team members, followed by interaction and questions from judges, as I explained. Yes. And out of these shortlisted presentations on the second round, when they, finally go in front of the judges, again through a video conferencing platform, not physically, they will be ultimately, the finalists will be chosen as top 3 winners. Whoever are there out of those finalists will be declared on the same day, which is NSD event day. Now the senior technocrats category, classes 9th and 10th, registration fee remains same, 200 rupees per team. team size 4 students again, and maximum 2 teams can participate from each school. Senior Technocrats category will consist of these following rounds. The first elimination round is an online quiz, and the second round will be a debate. Uh, and the debate will be actually on NSD event day, and top 3 winners will be also declared the same day after the debate round. The participants will attempt an online quiz via an online examination app in the first round prior to NSD event day. So this will be similar to the period when the junior technocrats actually submit their presentations. The senior technocrats will appear for an online quiz, and to avoid any malpractices, we'll take help of a professional app, with a specified time slot for them to uh, answer those questions, and those will be reviewed by video proctoring and all those features. They will not be able to cheat. Uh, the average score of all 4 participants in a team will be considered as the team score for senior technocrats. Based on their quiz scores, then the shortlisted teams will move on to the next round, which is the debate. And in case if there is a score tie, we have options in place to qualify them further in the next round with whatever. There are some suggestions here: rapid fire round and picture quiz and all of that before they proceed to the next round. Okay, so this is the part where after the announcement of quiz scores, the shortlisted teams will be informed of the debate topics. They'll have a time period in between to prepare for the second round as well. And then on the event day, NSD event day, 28th of February, uh, they'll be presenting their statements for and against. So they'll come prepared with statements for and against all the topics which are given to them. So if there are, let's say, about 5 topics given, so they'll be ready with both the points for and against. Whether they are speaking for or against and for which topic will be revealed on the event day directly. They'll not be informed of that previously. They'll be informed of the list of topics. So if there are 4, 5 topics, they'll have to come prepared with all of them. So as we have mentioned here, teams will be assigned a specific statement, which is for or against the topic directly on NSD event day, and the teams will present their opening statements followed by rebuttals from both sides, and they'll conclude with intervention and questions by judges. And then finally, 3 winners will be selected out of senior technocrats as well. So this is the brief timeline and schedule of the NSE 2021 competition. Second teachers meet will be having on Saturday, 2nd January, sorry, 9th January. Uh, Registration deadline. So registrations will start this week, and they'll continue until 23rd of January. Junior technocrats orientation sessions. So here in the orientation sessions, basically participants after registration, they'll be explained in detail about what both the rounds will consist of, because we don't want them to have any doubts or any kind of confusion. So they'll be explained what these rounds consist of, how they can participate, what are the rules. So there'll be 2 orientation sessions for both the categories, junior and senior technocrats. Tentatively, the dates are 24th Jan and 31st Jan. Will be, if at all there are any changes, we'll be informing well in advance through whatever mediums suitable and convenient. Uh, so junior technocrats 24th, senior technocrats 31st January are the orientation sessions. Then the presentation submission deadline for junior technocrats, which is the first category, that is 7th of February. They'll be submitting, which is the deadline actually. So they can submit before that, but that's the last date. And then the online quiz for senior technocrats will be on 14th of February. The same day, the results will be declared of the online quiz. So they'll be informed of whether they are shortlisted for the second round or not, which is the senior technocrats. And the junior technocrats first round results will be declared 10 days after, or a week after, uh, more than a week after the submission deadline, which is 17th February is when the results will be declared of the first round. They'll have about 10, 11 days more to prepare for the second round. The grand finale will be, as we said earlier, 28th of February. That will be the grand finale. So second rounds of both categories, junior and senior technocrats, will be on that day. Now coming to the registration process, we'll briefly go through what exactly it is. So there'll be a payment gateway system as we all pay online these days. It's a third-party service opted by MSS Vidyan Vibhag to accept online payments for NSD. So the participant or teacher must visit the link, enter the contact information, and select preferred mode of payment, whether it's debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI wallets, whatever, and pay the fees amount on behalf of the team. So 200 rupees upfront, there will be no whatever you want to divide between the students, they'll have to do it themselves. There will be team registration directly, they'll have to pay 200 per team on that link. Then in the second part of the registration, they'll visit the online form, enter the. So this will be done if this should be preferably done by the teachers. The registration part, the payment part, either the participant or teacher can do. The registration part, because the teachers have to first collect all the information from the students, whatever the teams are, and also the payment details they should keep handy. So the form will be such that it will have the school and teacher in charge details. So each school needs to have two teacher in charges, and both of them will be responsible for their entire contingent, which is either one team, four teams, whatever, maximum four teams, two per category. And then they have to enter the details here in the form, school and teacher in charge details. Then the online payment information they'll have to enter for verification, and participant details of each team. So if they're registering one team, two teams, three or four, and submit the form. This is the general schedule of the finale. So it will be organized on again video conferencing platform, and will this will be the basic outline. Inauguration, it will start with a formal opening ceremony. Then the junior technocrats judges round will take place, followed by senior technocrats debate round. The announcement of winners will be on the same day, followed by the closing ceremony. The entire event will be streamed live on Facebook. So students and parents and teachers, all the people who are basically not directly a part of the event or the competition, can still uh, view it on Facebook directly. So now we are opening the floor for questions if you have any, and I'm sure there will be many questions. So each of you can unmute yourselves and ask if you have any questions.
One more thing which I would like to add is that we will be forming a WhatsApp group of teachers who will be participating in this event, so that all the updates of the event regarding winners, shortlisted, all these things will be announced on the WhatsApp group. So please don't block the numbers. That's all we would like to say.
Yeah. So the details are given on your screen. You can see. Uh, this is how, because right now it is just the teachers meeting initially we are having. We also need few more details in case we want to. This is a little early phase, so if we want to make any changes in the categories or the rules or something, we can do it, or the timelines, the overall dates or something. So as teachers, you can tell us whether this suits the schedule of the students and the schools, so that accordingly we can proceed with this. And that is why we have not started the registration yet, because it's a little early. We'll be starting this week, no doubt. But you can stay connected with us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and on our website. You can get all the updates in case you know we release the documents. For example, the rules and regulations, the form and everything. You can check on our website. So I'll read the numbers, contact numbers of whom you can reach out to. 98200, sorry, 9820 316 963. This is Mr. Nitin Deshpande from MSS Vignan Vibhag. You can WhatsApp us on this number to get added to our WhatsApp group for NSD 2021. This is exclusively for teachers, no one else. And my number, which is 7021 826 154. On Facebook, it's MSS Vidyan Vibhag. You can like our page and follow us for updates on upcoming events. And mahasevasang.org is the website name. So if you want to note down, you can note it down. In the coming days, will be all the details regarding NSD competition will be put up on our website. You can download the poster, the brochure, and everything from there directly. Even most likely, a version of this presentation, a copy of this presentation will also be available. The rules, regulations, and even the registration link will be on the website.
So, teachers, do you have any questions?
First
If
of
at
all,
all,
we would like to get a sense on the timelines and everything. Whether is there anything that is interrupting the schools or the exam schedule or something? We don't uh, want that.
okay. So, I think we are very much clear about everything because there are no questions from teachers. Uh, is it okay? So, I'll be putting all this uh, for another session which for teachers on Saturday. The same thing. It will be repeated on Saturday. Is it okay? So shall we write off?
I think we can wait, and if we want, we can just, in case if we want to quickly
Anu Singh ma'am has given a thumbs up.
revisit whatever we've
Yeah.
just said. In case if they have any doubts, they can ask.
Hmm. Yeah. Any doubts, madam, sirs?
In case if there are any doubts, you can interrupt me in between. I'll just
Yep.
quickly revise what I said. Uh, this year, the entire NSD competition will be online. We'll be having two categories: junior and senior technocrats. Seventh and eighth standard junior technocrats category will be there. 200 rupees per team registration fees, 4 students per team, and maximum 2 teams per school. These are the same rules for both categories, except the difference is that one is for classes 7th and 8th, the senior technocrats is for 9th and 10th. Elimination round and final round for junior technocrats is first they'll submit the presentation, then they'll be shortlisted for the second round, where they will actually present to the judges on video conferencing. And top three winners will be declared on NST event day, which is the day of the second round of
Okay.
junior
I
tech.
have got one question for teachers. Uh, is it okay if at all you people, whoever is the winner, whichever team is a winner, can come down to MSS office and collect the prize? Is it okay? Or you would like to be sent? Please reply. Whoever is the winner, we have not right now. We don't know who will be the winner. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, then we do one thing. We'll ask the winning teams to come to MSS, and we'll hand over the prizes to them. And
The
that will on the
prizes
28th.
thing, particularly, yes, we have to decide on the prizes
Correct.
part, particularly because again, we don't want any inconvenience to the students or schools.
And everybody will be getting a participating certificate. That's for
Yes,
sure.
yes. So I was going through the junior technocrats category. As I
Hmm.
said, they'll be submitting the presentation in the first uh, round. The second round, they will be presenting in front of judges once they get shortlisted.
Correct.
Then moving on to the next round, which is senior technocrats. It will be for the classes 9th and 10th. Same fees, team size, and maximum two teams can participate, 200 rupees per team, and four students per team. Here, the elimination round is online quiz, and the final round is debate. The final round will be held on NSD event day, 28th of February. And before that, we'll be having the quiz on 14th of February. The
Okay.
quiz will be via an online examination app. It will be conducted. This will help us, avoid any cheating or other malpractices. Average score of all participants will be considered as the team score, and based on their team scores, the shortlisted teams will be qualifying for the debate round. In case of tie, we have measures in place to qualify the better team through different rounds. After announcement of quiz scores, the shortlisted teams will be informed of what the debate topics are. They'll need to come prepared on 28th of February with statements for and against. But on that day itself, they'll be told whether they'll be speaking for or against the topic. The debate will start with, the same, both teams presenting their sides, then followed by rebuttals and intervention by judges. This is the overall schedule. Second teachers meeting, Saturday 9th of January. Registration starts this week, will end at 23rd of January. Orientation sessions, junior technocrats on 24th, one day after the deadline of registration. Senior technocrats next week, 31st January. Presentation submission deadline for junior technocrats, 7th of February. 10 days after they'll be getting the results of their first round, 17th of February. Senior technocrats online quiz, 14th February. Same day they'll be getting the results. And both categories will have about 10 to 14 days. 11 days, 10 to 11 days for junior and 14 days for senior technocrats to prepare for the second round, which will be on 28th of February. The registration process is such that they'll first visit the payment gateway, make the payment, the contact information they enter while making the payment, they'll uh, mention the same information in the registration also, so that the payment can be verified. The
Uh,
online
one
form
more
will
one more addition I would like to make, Vaibhav. The moment the school makes a payment, we will send across the presentation topics to the school on the same email ID from where we have received the payment,
in fact while
or
they
the
register
registration form.
yeah
Yeah,
while
after
they
they register.
yeah in fact while they register, in the registration form they will have to select whether the team is choosing which topic. So there, the list of topics
Acha.
will be given. They
Okay.
can see that and they can accordingly choose. So while registering, they'll have to specify they have chosen this topic.
Oh, okay.
This is, I believe, for the junior technocrats category
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
saying.
Junior
Yes,
technocrats only.
Yes, yes. So the topics will be upfront. It will be very clear. We'll put them on the website and on the form as well. They will have to specify in the form what topic they have selected.
Or on our teachers group also. We'll put it
Yes.
over there also.
Teachers group will have all the updates. So
Yep.
we suggest they join the teachers group. We'll be sharing the numbers and all the information again.
Yep.
So after
So,
making the payment, they'll fill the form with the school and teacher in charge details. Each school will have two teacher in charges. With
mhm.
then they'll also submit the online payment information and the participant details, and they'll submit the form. This is the overall schedule of the finale: inauguration, judges round of junior technocrats, debate round of senior technocrats, announcement of winners and closing ceremony. The event will be streamed live on Facebook.
Okay.
This is
So
the
that
information that they can note it down if they want. The phone numbers and the Facebook page and website.
okay. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you, teachers, for participating. Uh, we'll see again on the same topic. Meet you on Saturday. We'll be updating the school science group teachers on immediately after this event, after this presentation. Okay. Thank you all. We just disconnect now.
Yeah,
Thank you.
they can note down the phone numbers if
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
want to reach out to us,
Correct.
which is 9820 316 963. Nitin Deshpande, 9820 316 963, or 7021 826 154, which is me, Vaibhav. 7021 826 154. The Facebook page is MSS Vidyan Vibhag, or they can search Maharashtra Seva Sangh Vidyan Vibhag, they'll get it. Mahasevasangh.org, the website where they'll get all the updates. This week, we'll start uploading all the details on the website.
Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
In case if they have any questions, they can ask us. The next meeting will be
On
details
Saturday.
regarding prices and the rules and regulations, detailed rules and regulations, and we'll be also doing a demo of the registration form. So I suggest those teachers who are present today can also be present on Saturday. The timing will be updated in the teachers group. They can contact us,
Yep.
but the meeting is surely on Saturday. I think it will be on Saturday evening, most likely.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you everyone for joining today. In case if you have questions, we'll keep open for a few seconds and then we'll close.
So no questions. Nobody's having any questions.